Hey, what's up, folks? So, I was asked the other day, actually today, how do I obtain a softer beard? And one of the methods is to utilize one of our tools here. This is our Sissel hairbrush here. I'm stuck in traffic, so I figured why not just do a nice little brushing. I sped it up to about 2 times speed here. It's about 5 minutes worth of brushing here. Just did this over and over and over. Like the wavers do, like the wavers trying to get waves in the beard. Well, I like to try and get waves in the hair. I want to try and get waves in my beard. I want a wavy beard, So any of the midnight rose that's in there from a little bit earlier, I'm just gonna comb all that through, brush all that through there, because the bristles are made of sisal bristle. That rhymes nice. The sisal bristles it's made of agave. And the agave is a natural plant fiber. But don't mess up my voiceover. Mind your business. So, the natural plant fiber does a great job of distributing oils evenly throughout the hair or the beard. It's very useful. And, it's no boars were killed to make it, so that's also super dope. Just rub the beard. If you're trying to get softer hair, this is like a conditioning kind of technique here. Because it removes any of those tough, hard spots, those difficult spots. You don't want the difficult spots. You just start brushing it, comb it. Now, of course, the other thing is over combing or over brushing. So I do not recommend extensive brushing or combing every single day. I like to do something of this nature, like once, 3 times a week. Of this type of extensivity. Just a little bit of brush here or a little bit of comb here to detangle before I step out the house is always a mild necessity. But anything of this nature where it's long, strong, and trying to get the friction on, I do it very, very sparingly, sparsely, sporadically. You don't want to do too much. You want to do just enough to remove any of the baddies. Yeah. So I'm gonna just take this time here to just join. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, follow me on the gram if you like that. Really appreciate it. Thank you all so much. Have a beautiful day, and get the brushing out there, fellas. Your beard nappy. You ain't happy. What?